What is up, guys, and welcome back to the DocMack car channel. Today what I'm going to show you is the hidden key features on the BMW Key. Now this is the non-comfort access key. It does go from the year 2005 all the way through to about 2007/2008. So there's more to this key than meets the eye, so I'm going to show you exactly what the tips and tricks are. So consider subscribing if you haven't already. I've got a lot of car DIY how-to videos and also interesting videos such as this. Alright guys, so the first thing with the BMW Key is the unlock and the lock, which we all know, and that's your trunk popper. You can press the unlock button and that'll open the mirrors and it'll open all the windscreens as well. As you can see, the windscreens go down, the sunroof also opens up. Alright guys, so now if we step back, we're going to see the exact opposite by holding down the BMW Key. Look at the windscreen and the mirror and the windscreens as well, and the sunroof. Alright guys, so that's the first hidden key feature. The key actually has got a physical key on the inside and you have got a physical key. Now you can use this physical key to get into the vehicle, to unlock it. It unlocks that one as well. Stick the key back in with a clip, like so. Now the other interesting feature as well is with this key, when you pull it out, we're going to go to the back of the vehicle now. There's a little keyhole on the back of the BMW 330, so you can easily stick the key in there and you can unlock the trunk if at all the battery has actually gone off. There you go. And the key opens the trunk as well as the boot, so I'm going to open it up like so. So we can take a look there. So that's the little keyhole I put it into. And not many people know about this one because the battery is stored beneath here. And if at all people don't know about that keyhole, they can't get into the trunk. So this is a very neat feature to have. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go on the inside of the vehicle and then we are going to discover another hidden feature. Alright guys, so the other hidden key feature which a lot of people do not know about, well, some of you BMW guys will know this, is when I stick the key into the ignition, you can start the engine as normal. So I'm going to start the engine, but the neat feature is that you can actually start the engine kind of without the key. So the car started now. Now the CAS system has actually activated, so it has authorized the car to actually start. Now during winter, what you can do is you can start up your car, warm up your car while it's locked and you're away, and you do it like so. So you turn off the start button, you pull out the key, you put your foot on the brake, and I'm holding the key and take a look, I'm hitting the start button. There you go guys, there's no key in the key slot. That's my key. So what you can do is you can actually get down, and I'm going to show you that you can lock the vehicle, as you can see right here. You see guys, you can walk away from the vehicle, go inside, have a quick cup of cocoa, and while it is warming up in winter, but you guys need to make sure you don't forget that the car is on, and then come back to it, unlock the door, open it, and then what you can do is, I would not recommend driving like this. I would recommend just for warming up the engine, hitting the start button first and then reinserting the key for the CAS system to reauthorize it and then start the vehicle again, and then you're away guys. So those are the hidden key features as well. And now with each of these keys, sometimes you do get two keys, people lose them sometimes. With these keys you can actually program the memory of the seat as well. So that means if you use key A and you use key B, which is the second key, then another driver can get in, stick the key in, and it'll adjust it to their settings. If not, you can use the memory seat settings. Alright guys, I hope that video has been useful and informative. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. I've got car how-to DIY videos, car care videos, as well as interesting videos such as this. And make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It really does help me and also works with the YouTube algorithm so that my video can get promoted as well. free video, guys, and I'm sure this is going to help you out. Thanks, guys. See you in the next one.